Looking to renovate your bathroom? Would you like relocate your existing fixtures? We can help as general contractor and master plumber. We will pull permits and relocate any walls or fixture. We make your bathroom come true at All Cool Heat Plumbing and General Contractor Inc. 407-461-0301. Give us a call at 407-461-0301. Let's get it done with us. All Cool Heat Plumbing and General Contractor Inc. Your general contractor, master plumber, air conditioning and heating. One-stop service provider at your home or business. 407-461-0301.